My name is Jouni Juntunen and I'm Professor of Innovation Management at University of Vaasa. University of Vaasa's role in HOCLOOP is to lead Work Package 7, that is about social acceptance of geothermal energy. We look this from two perspectives, from community perspective and business model perspective, and mainly we do this via media studies and workshop with stakeholders. The most exciting part from my point of view is that this is a novel technology. It is under development, it has huge potential, and we are basically looking from the citizens and different stakeholders perspective, how does this technology fit for the society, how does it fit for the communities, how does it fit for the different businesses and so forth, how could we scale up this in a big time. With renewable technologies, we have seen also quite a lot of opposition from the local communities. So very often there are some drawbacks if you think about the wind energy or bigger solar parks and so forth. So that is very natural. In geothermal energy case, I think a very big potential is there that it is fairly invisible, so it is mostly underground, and basically that means that the social acceptance for this type of solution is quite good. There might be some issues, and we have seen issues with the earlier sites, but with our current technology we are probably going to solve them. So in that sense this looks very lucrative. Also, if we think from the industrial point of view, so there are industries that need heat in their production, and this could be quite nice solution for heat needs, and maybe these industries have bought the heat from the external provider, but they can expand their own operations for the heat production and fulfill the needs with the new technology.